Hey guys, my name is Drea and today I'm going to be reviewing the ESEENLOLash kit. I'm gonna show you guys how to put them on. And it comes with everything you need: the remover, the spoolie, the applicator, the lash bond, and the seal. I don't know if this one got a copy. That's the remover, spoolie, and the applicator. Before you apply, you want to make sure your eyes are clean, and you are going to go in with the bond first, and you're gonna put that at the top of your lash line. So you will go like right here. Hold on. You go like right there. Don't put it on like mascara because it's not mascara. No. No, that is a lot. I'm not used to the color being white. It's normally black. Here are the lashes, by the way. Very cute. I'm probably gonna do, so there's two different versions. I'm probably gonna do the bottom ones because they are darker. So I put one on already. I wanted to see how my eye would take it. I did 114. Gonna do another 14, but I'll do that on camera. Hold on. Okay, so you do it like that. So that was 2 14s. I think I'm gonna do like maybe one more 14. So 3 14s. This is it so far. You don't want it in the pink area at all because then that'll cause like irritation and stuff, and you'll want to take the lashes off and it'll be a waste of time. So yeah, don't do that. I am now gonna go in with the 13, but I'm gonna do these all off camera. I'm just gonna tell you guys my lash math. Sometimes if you want that extra, like if you want it to stick extra, oh crap, I dropped it. Like I was saying before, if you want them to like stick more, I put it on the top too, because this one fell off when I was trying to put it on, so I probably didn't put a lot of glue on my lashes. I am gonna go in with another 13. I'll do this one on there. Probably not, because it's hard to do it on the phone. Hold on. I'm gonna do one more 13 because I might have to, probably might gonna go over more, like double layer it. But here it is right here. It's a pretty skinny band. I'll try to apply it on the phone. There we go. Here we go. So far I got 3 14s and 3 13s. I'm gonna probably do like 2 12s. We'll see. Oh, I'm starting to feel something in my eye, but I'm gonna continue. I only did 1 12 because I like the cat eye look, and that looked a little too big for me. Oh, I have some glue right here. So now I'm gonna do an 11. If I can get it. I went in with another 11, and then I'm gonna do probably 110 and then 19. At any event, when you're putting on these lashes, and say for instance like this lash right here, I was putting it on and it can sometimes like fall off, and if it falls off it'll go like right here, and you feel like if you blink it'll end up in your eye, which would suck, because normally we're used to getting one little skinny little eyelash in our eye and we can easily take it out, but this would be different. So I would just freeze and take it out, and don't freak out, because then this won't go in your eye. So here is one eye right here, and now what I am going to do is put the seal on, and what the seal does is it locks it all in place. It's chunky. You put it at the base of your lash. You put it at the base of your lashes, so. Oh my gosh, okay. Basically what you do, you'd use the spoolie to brush the lashes. And now I'm going to do the other side off camera. I'm gonna do the same lash map. Oh, and this is actually what is it? So this is 2/14. At first I did put 3/14, but and it doesn't look bad, so I'm just gonna leave it at 2/14. You can also double the same thing for a more like dramatic look, but I like the natural look, so I'm gonna keep it like this. Okay, and we are all done. I always like a side better than the other. Like, I like this one better. You can see. My eyelashes are not twins, but fraternal. Overall, I really like these. They're cute and they're curly. With proper care, these could last maybe a week or so. You have to make sure you're taking care of your lashes and you are also washing them as well. That is very important. So key points, never apply the bond like it's mascara. Definitely make sure you're using one of these. Be careful when you're putting the clusters on. It is also definitely a trial and error kind of thing. I'm good at it now, but I sucked at it at first, which is everyone. Definitely want to take your time. You won't be perfect at it right away. Definitely take your time. You can't rush something like this because the glue doesn't even dry instantly. And you're going to be like, oh my God, I don't have time, blah, blah. No, take your time. Do it when you have nothing else to do for the moment. And just, you know, relax. And it should go beautifully. But that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.